2,66,000 case in one day, 1,500 deaths in one day, 1,20,000 recovery in one day. This is the data of last 24 hours of COVID in India dated 18th April 2020-21. Worrying about it, no, when it will end, what is the future. So in a short, today I'll give you what is the future of COVID in India. According to my research, I don't know how much efficiency it has, but till now my what I have predicted, it has matches a little bit, so I like to share with you all. So today, as I mentioned, 2,66,000 cases a day, which was the highest record since the first case reported on 31st January 2020. 2,66,000 death, and the death has also made a higher number. The highest record in India is 2,000 deaths, which was reported on 11 June, and today India has reported nearly 1,500 deaths. So what is the future? Future is that we are currently under the move of second wave of COVID. I will show you some graph from which you can understand that what is the future of the COVID in India. The thing is that currently 1,47 lakh people has already been infected in India. Now, when this second wave will end? First of all, I have observed that our Indian infection is matching with the Italian graph sometimes, as the Italian in the first peak was the total active case was 1 lakh, only 1 lakh, and when it came to the 10%, that is 10,000 active case, the second wave hit it and the second wave started rising. Similarly, in India, when the active case was 10 lakh in the first wave, and when it came down to the 10%, that is 1 lakh active case, the second wave hit and again it started rising. Now from the graph, I will show you that on September 17, we had the peak of the first wave, and on March 17, second wave hit us. That is a gap of 6 months. 6 months between the first wave peak and the start of the second wave. Similarly, in Italy, the peak of the first wave was on March 21, and the start of the second wave was October 21. That is 7 month difference. It's quite similar, right? 10%, when the active case was 10%, it started rising, and the gap is 6 months, 7 months. So from the graph, I will show you what is the condition and what is the future. So let's go to the presentation and see what is the future of India. So yes, this is the graph of India active case. The peak was on September 17, and currently we are in the second wave strategy, and the second wave has nearly hit us nearly on March 17. So I will compare this graph with Italy now. Yes, this is the graphs of Italy. You can see it is 8 times stronger than the first wave, because in the first wave the active case was 1,05,000 in the first wave, and in the second wave the active case was nearly 8 lakh. It took total November 23 and April, nearly 8 months to reach the peak. So we can say that the second wave has started in Italy nearly on October and reached the peak in November. So we can assume from here that India will reach the second wave peak if it again follows the Italy pattern by May ending or the second week of May. And this is the famous total case. Every day the case has been reported in India. This is for all our negligency which the people are doing. Today 2,66,000 cases have been reported, whereas in the first case the peak was only of 97,000. People continue, and this graph will more continue to rise. This is the death per day. As I have mentioned, India has a record of 2,000 deaths on 11 June, and still we can see that today the record has been break of the first wave. If you see, it was 1,200, and today we have reported nearly 1,500 deaths. That is also a very big number. This is the graph of the recovery percentage. We can see a steep decline in here. It was total 98%. Rate It was total 97%, 97.79 in the peak. Now it has come down to 87%, and still it is decreasing. That is, it has nearly decreased by 10%, and it will keep on decreasing if we don't become serious regarding COVID. This is the recovery graph. Recovery is also increasing. Today we have reported 1,20,000 recoveries, and it's a good thing for us. Now a very comparable graph. This is the graph of active case and the recovery versus death. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. You can see the blue region is the active case ratio. In December, January, February, March, you can see it is very small, very, very small. You can see, but in April, it has increased nearly by 3 times. It has increased nearly by 3 times, and it will increase more if we don't become serious. I repeat this again and again, because second wave can be 8 times stronger than the first wave. So we can nearly expect that we can report 6 lakh to 7 lakh case per day. So hope you like the graph. These all data are being maintained by me since 1 year. More than 1 year has become. So as mentioned, we are following the Italian graph, nearly same as Italian graph. So if we compare that, then the second wave will be 7 times to 8 times stronger than the first wave. In first wave, our active case was 10 lakh. In second wave, there is no doubt it can reach 80 lakh. Active case, I am talking about the active case, it can reach, and the daily case per day can reach 5 lakh case per day, 6 lakh case per day. No worry about it. So you have to be serious. These all data were maintained by me. Hope you have liked it. In the MS Excel sheet, I have maintained it. So the main conclusion is that the very bad thing is waiting for us. The peak of the second wave, if we follow the Italian graph pattern or the UK graph pattern, will reach by the May second week or first week, nearly something like that, and it will come down. As you see in the Italian graph, after coming from the second wave, if you can play the video back, it has again rising, again it has came down. So we have to be serious. If we don't be serious, then the second wave will never come down. Second wave will never come down if we don't become serious. So we need to be little bit serious about it. That's all. Hope you have liked this presentation. According to me, the conclusion is we can expect 5 lakh case per day in the coming future, 4 to 5 lakh or 6 lakh, or it may not reach to that extent also. We may reach an active case ratio of 30 lakh, 40 lakh or 80 lakh if we follow the Italian pattern, though the population of Italy is very low as compared to India. So we can expect 80 lakhs active case if the people does not wear masks, go to parties and all. And the deaths, if we compare, we can report 4 to 5,000 deaths per day. If it becomes more violent, more severe, we can expect that the death rate is currently in India is 1.26%. That is quite lower compared to other countries. That is good. People are getting vaccinated. That's all. That's all for today. Hope you have liked this. Active case ratio is increasing day by day. Please be serious, otherwise you will not get bed in hospital. Today, the West Bengal has reported on 18th April, I am saying West Bengal has reported nearly 9,000 cases and the active cases 45,000, and we have only 11,000 beds in West Bengal. So if you become severe, I don't know whether you will get a bed in Bengal or not. In India also, COVID bed are nearly, I guess, 9 or 10 lakh. And the active case is nearly 15 lakhs. COVID bed, I guess, yes, it's 8 to 9 lakh and the active case is 15 lakh. So it will be very difficult for you to get treatment if you are infected with COVID. That's all for today. Thank you. And do comment down. How was it? Thank you. Goodbye.